So in this video, we will solve this quadratic equation by factoring. Here we have x squared minus 4x is equal to 12. And to solve a quadratic equation by factoring, we are going to make one side equal to 0. As you can see, on the right hand side, we have a positive 12. Therefore, let's subtract 12 on both sides. This way, 12 minus 12 will be 0. That's a 0 that we want. And then on the left hand side, we have x squared minus 4x minus 12. And then as I said, this is equal to 0. And then we will focus on this trinomial. We'll factor this out. The good thing right here is that the number in front of the x squared is just a 1. So to factor this out, I can open two parentheses. And then I just have to think about what times what will give us x squared. Well, x times x will give us x squared. And then I look at the number negative 12. And I think about what times what will give us negative 12. But in the meantime, those two numbers have to combine to be negative 4. And the correct choice in this case is negative 6 plus 2. Because negative 6 times positive 2 will give us negative 12, and then negative 6 plus 2 will give us the negative 4. So this is the factoring, and then this is equal to 0. And once we have this stage right here, we are going to make the first factor equals to 0, and then the second factor equals to 0. So we have x minus 6 is equal to 0, and the second one we have is x plus 2 is equal to 0. So these are the two equations that we have to solve to get the x by itself. For the first one, we add 6 on both sides. So in fact, we get x is equal to positive 6 as one of the answer to the original equation. And then for the second one, we have x plus 2 is equal to 0, so we have to subtract 2 on both sides. This way, we end up with x is equal to 0 minus 2. Of course, that will be negative 2. So these two are the solution to the original equation, and these are the roots as well. Solutions and the root are the same. And then we are just looking for one of them to be on the answer choices. As we can see, the first one is 6 that we get, but then there's no 6 right here, right? We do have a negative 2 in answer choice B. So answer choice B is the answer. That's it.